And today we will start the revision of our chapter, The Coming of Pakistan. This chapter describes the circumstances before the partition of India and Pakistan. The largest world war in history. The Second World War, which was started in 1939 till 1945 as a continuation of First World War. The two main sides were Axis powers and the Allies. In the Axis power, Germany, Italy, and Japan were the partners, and the second one was Britain and colonies, including the India. The Second World War begins. Its most and main important character was Hitler, who rose power in Germany in 1889 in 1945. Hitler is known as the monster of history. In September 1939, Germany invaded Poland, which later forced Britain and France to declare war on Germany on September 3rd. The next topic is Hitler's deadly ideas. Hitler wanted to get back what Germany has lost and wanted to create larger, greater Germany. Hitler had strong ideas about race and believed that slaves were subhuman. Hitler believed that the communists who ruled the Soviet Union were under the control of Jews. Hitler's attitude to Jews. In 1930, there were 8 million Jews living in Europe. Hitler blamed them for Germany defeated in First World War and for country's economic problems. In 1935, Hitler passes new law that no Jew could be German or marry to any German's blood. The concentration camps. Hitler hated slaves, Jews, and many other mental ill people. During the war, millions of people were sent to the Eastern Europe areas. They put into the concentration and work camps such as Auschwitz and Belsen, where many of them died from diseases, starvation, and overwork. Timeline: the progress of the war. In 1939, Britain and France declare war on Germany. Then in 1940, German attack on France with great speed and Hitler became the master of the Europe. In 1941, Britain depends heavily on goods that were imported by sea. Then in 1942, Japanese capture Singapore and German attack the Soviet Union. 1943, the Soviet Union forces German army to surrender the Stalingrad. 1945, the Allies attacked Germany. USA dropped 2 bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Britain under great threat. Britain fell under threat of a German attack. In 1940, France fall and Britain position hopeless. Only possible allies, the USA and the Soviet Union, seem determined to keep out of the war. Many people think Britain accept German domination of Europe. British leader Winston Churchill was enormously revealed when the Soviet Union and USA entered the war on the side of the Allies. From that time, no allies had upper hand. India is the Second World War. Early in the war, Japanese ships and aircraft attacked on ports of Bengal. In 1944, Japanese messed on the Burmese border as the war came to India's doorstep. Some Indian soldiers served Middle East, North Africa, and Europe. Britain food rationing was introduced in the subcontinent. India and British during war year. On September 3rd, 1939, Viceroy announced that India was at war with Germany. Britain knew that they had very little chance to winning the war without India. Congress started protests in every province. This helped the Muslim League also. Jinnah proclaimed December 22nd in 1939 as a day of deliverance from Congress rule. The technology advances in 19th and 20th centuries meant that war was now a global issue. India needed Britain to protect it from external threats. Congress in prison. Congress leader was not united. Gandhi also opposed Hitler regime. He thought that allies should not fight back. Nehru believed that non-violence was not suitable when country was defending itself against aggressor. Gandhi announced a Satyagraha civil disobedience campaign. But before it could started, Gandhi and their other campaign leaders were arrested. 20,000 Congress members were also in prison. The Cripps Mission. In 1941, 3 days before the Japanese attack on Harbor, the Congress leaders were released. Japan joined Axis powers and attacked the Southeast Asia. In 1942, India was under threat. Churchill sent a senior member of cabinet, Cripps, to try and get the support of Congress. Cripps was clever and knew the both Nehru and Jinnah, so he offered India full dominion status after the war. Next topic is Quit India. As Gandhi was against Cripps' mission, he persuaded Congress to reject it. Gandhi started Satyagraha campaign, Quit India movement. Many Congress members were arrested, which started violence and protest all over the India. 940 people were killed and many were imprisoned. British carried out bombing campaigns and machine gunning mobs. United States forces in subcontinent. After Japan's attack, US entered the war on the side of the Allies. Military forces came to subcontinent in 1942 till 1945. Naval bases in India and Ceylon gave the Allies control of India Ocean region. Next topic is the Lahore Resolution. Jinnah made the League for Muslim identity during the war years. Came to know the main leader of 94 million Muslims of subcontinent. In 1940, Muslim League held its first meeting. This by a single government. The subcontinent divided into 3 groups. Group A, Hindu majority provinces. Group B, Muslim majority provinces. Group C, Muslim and Muslim majority Bengal and Hindu majority Assam. Muslim League and Congress accepted it, but later on in 1946, League withdrew its acceptance. Muslim separate state was the only way ahead. In 1946 August, the Jinnah called for a day of direct action. The Great Calcutta Killing. 2 days before direct action, Jinnah says to Muslims to be conducted themselves peacefully and in manner, but in Calcutta, thanks and quickly got out of hand. Hindu-Muslim violence killed around 4,000 in first 3 days and left 10,000 seriously injured. In 1946, violence spread to Bombay and reached to Gujarat. 16th August marked the beginning of a period of bloody civil war. The next topic is the last Viceroy Mountbatten's short rule. British government wished to bring together Congress and Muslim League. Lord Mountbatten as a Viceroy in 1900 till 1979, Mountbatten was being instructed by the British government to withdraw from India by June 1948, cause as few problems as possible for the people of subcontinent, keeping up the trade links with subcontinent, ensuring that independent subcontinent was the part of Commonwealth, leaving the subcontinent united. The next topic is the British attitude to partition. Mountbatten and many other British people were against this partition, as they thought there are many administrative problems like economic reasons, administrative problem, less experience of Muslim to run a separate country, a well-armed subcontinent which gave the stability to much of Asia. But the princely states of Bahawalpur, Chitral, Dir, Gilgit, Hunza and Sawat literally opted. The next topic is the Qaid arrival in Karachi. Jinnah had won Pakistan and became the father of nation. On his arrival to Karachi, the crowd met them at the airport and shouted Pakistan Zindabad. At last, the great day of independence came on 1947, August 14th. It was Thursday of the month of Ramadan. The next topic is the handover ceremony. Both India and Pakistan became dominion states within the British Commonwealth. Mountbatten became the first Governor General of independent India. Nehru became the first Prime Minister. Liaquat Ali Khan became first Pakistan's Prime Minister, while Quaid-e-Azam became both the Governor General and President of the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. Problems ahead. The country was led by the slogan Unity, Faith and Discipline. Quaid-e-Azam has sacrificed his health for the independence of Pakistan. Due to his continuous efforts for Pakistan, he lost his health and only could live for 1 year after the independence. Let's discuss the revision worksheet for this chapter. Please go through these questions. Why were breadbasket lands import to Hitler? Number 2, why was Scripps mission sent to India? What did it offer to India? 3rd one, why did Jinnah protest against the partition of Punjab and Bengal? Number 4, why was Mountbatten along with many British people against partition of India? Please comment. Please go through all these topics thoroughly. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.